In case of above, here the above, so kanji like that and a stroke of that kanji. So here just as a simple kanji, again a stroke of that kanji, just here. So again if you write, this is the kanji, and the sound like that, sometimes ue, ue, sometimes jo, jo, ue and jo. So here a word and meaning. So on the desk, that means sukue no ue, sukue no ue. Sukue means desk, so kanji like that. And here, so this is the hiragana, sukue no ue, this is the main kanji. So sukue no ue, this is supporting, so on the desk, sukue no ue. Joju, that means good hand, joju, good hand. So joju here, joju. So this is a te, kanji of te means hand, for the kanji of hand. So joju, this is good hand, joju. So again toshi ue, that means older, getting older, or old person. Here toshi ue, this is the year kanji. So here like that. So toshi ue, toshi ue, that means older.